Hello everyone, this is a quick tips. Today in this video I will show you how to use magnetic mat. Maybe we should suppress this old mat. Right click, click suppress. Make this body fixed. Separate the Lego part. Now go to body. Go to tools, active access publisher. Click this edge and click this face. Click add connector. Do it the same thing until connector surfaces. After done, go to assembly again. Go to head Lego. Make connector to this part, like this. Go to assembly again. See? Make sure you activate the magnetic mat. Drag head to body like this. See? You can do like this. See? Now make connector to this arm Lego. After that, drag arm to body connector. See? That make easy mat. Now make connector to this Lego length and waist. Drag length to connector waist. See? Drag waist to body connector. I don't know how to fix the magnetic mat body with the waist. For now, I'm wearing mat as usual. See? Now you can separate it and connect part easily. So what do you think, this feature will you assembly faster or not? Just comment in this video. That is a quick tips. See ya!